Hello loves, welcome to UniekMakes by Cristina. I have an awesome Valentine haul to share with you. I was able to find some goodies. The stuff wasn't on sale, but I want to get it before the stores around here start selling and going out of stock or hard for me to find. So yeah, let me show you all the things I got for Valentine's Day and share their love. So let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, the first thing I would like to share is this beautiful Valentine twine. Now you do get 3 different colors of pink, dark pink, and red with white. So I was able to get that. Regular price is $1.99. So this wasn't that bad of a deal. But that one, actually I got 2 of those. Love it, love it. It'll go in handy for my Valentine Crafty. Next thing I hauled is this glitter shaker. Look at that. So you get, let me do it this way. So you do get the pink, the silver glitter, the red glitter, the white, like another pink, and then you also get like the red chunky. So I got that one, and the price on that right now is $3.99. I'm thinking maybe soon it should be going on sale. The other thing I hauled is these little polymer clay chips, which is Valentine, and this was $2.49. Let me show you this one. I love that it has blue in it. Look at that. How nice is that? Real nice. So I got that one. I also hauled these googly eyes. I thought this would be really cool to have. And the regular price is $1.99. And you do get 20 pieces, and they're called heart wiggly eyes. Look at that. How cool is that for some projects? So I got those ones. I also hauled this ribbon. Now this ribbon is, you get 4 different ones. But this ribbon was $4.99, and you get 120 feet each. And look at that. So they come with the red, white, light pink, and dark pink. So I got that one. Another thing I was able to find is these 3x3 cards. Now regular price is $3.99, but look how cute those are. I love that. They're just little mini cards. Oh, here we go. Let me show you that way. Yeah. And I might alter them, or even make them into a little junk journal, or a little journal, like a little traveling journal. So I have that one. And then I also hauled this other one. I like this one. Look at that. Look at all the cuteness in that. So this is also $3.99, and you get 24 cards. That's real nice. Love it. That. And then I did get my hands on the paper pen, which is $4.99. I ordered 2 of them. Let's look at this one. Okay, so let's look at this one here. Now they had 2 different kinds, but the other one I already have, so I didn't get that one. But these ones are nothing but they're bows. Look at that. You have the pink bows, and these are all one-sided. And you get 3 sheets of each. Look at that. The cherries and hearts. The red bow. Oh my goodness, I love it. Look at the little cakes. This screams girly, which I love. The pink love. And look at that, the squares with the hearts. Oh wow, look at that. Get the red and white. the bows. Some more hearts. Look at that. Oh my goodness, love, love, love. I love it all. Love it. There's a nice paper pad. Oh, look at that. Real nice. Love it. Happy Valentine's Day. I think this is my, well, I like Halloween. I love Valentine's Day because of the pink. And of course I love Christmas. But look at that. Look at all that prettiness. Oh my goodness, look at that. Yeah, so that's the last ones. Yeah, so this is a nice paper pad. I got that one. And then the next thing I hauled are these Happy Valentine stickers. Look at that. So I got those so I could put on my packaging. But yeah, and that's for $1.49. So once it goes on sale, it's even better. I'm gonna get some more stuff. Oh, and let me show you the last thing I got, which is the best thing. Talk about love, love, love. Look at that. Little heart containers. OMG. And this is $3.99. Well, look at that. Oh my God. Love it. Let's go ahead and open it so I can show you. So you just pop those up, down. And these come in red and pink. Look at that. How nice is this? Look at that. So you can put all your Valentine stuff, or you can even gift this, or even do a swap with this. Oh my goodness. I found these and I was love. So I just got the pink one. I might go ahead and get the red ones just so that I could have it in my stash. But yeah, that is my little Valentine haul that I want to share with you. I like it all. So let me know in the comments below what you have gotten or what you like from my haul. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification so you know when I upload a new video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.